Context is key. A pat file is either a pattern for Photoshop or a hatch pattern for AutoCAD. You don't open it, you import it into the respective software. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer. Let's identify yours. For those complex PAT formats, there's always a plan B, a specialized file handling utility that feels like magic. I'll introduce it again later after we attempt the common methods. Any software handling PAT must first recognize it as a standard raster image file element. The final output is rendered in the AutoCAD Hatch Pattern File structure. The PAT file is a generic pattern file used by various applications. For Autodesk AutoCAD, it specifically functions as a plain text definition file for hatch patterns, cross-hatching, used in engineering drawings. Developed by Autodesk, the format is plain text. Its design rules are based on a simple coordinate and line syntax. The file must be correctly placed in the AutoCAD support directory for the drawing to display the custom hatch patterns accurately. The PAT format is inextricably linked to the application Autodesk AutoCAD from Autodesk. Inc. Windows can read the file's external properties, but not the internal data structure. Windows offers simple viewing functionality, while editing sophistication requires external software. Your first step toward a working file, right-click the PAT file and select Open With. If Autodesk AutoCAD is on your system, try that first. If not, try another option immediately. Testing is key. If the PAT file won't budge, stay calm. If the file refuses to open, the issue is not surface level. Let's initiate a quick test on the following common failure scenarios to see the source of the blockage. First, identify the creator. Determine if the file is an AutoCAD hatch pattern or a music module file. Next, place in support folder. If AutoCAD, place the PAT file in a folder listed in AutoCAD support file search path, Options Files tab. Finally, use Tracker Chalk Viewer. If a music file, use a music tracker program like OpenMPT or a dedicated PAT file viewer to play the file. When compatibility checks fail completely, expert-grade software becomes necessary. That's the only reliable way forward to try for your PAT file. When the specialized tools failed, the problem is deeper. Your best option is a universal program like FileMagick. It handles hundreds of formats and can often access content even when Windows cannot. You can download it at FileMagick. I'm thankful for every viewer I have. Welcome aboard to any new viewers. If you found this helpful, click subscribe and join our community.